Let's go. What's that top thingy? That shiny thing on the very top?
Turbojet.
Boys and girls, welcome to the vlog. Today we've got Kessie. I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I'm bringing you a video today. I haven't been to this car meet in over a year, so I'm here checking it out again. And introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Sharon. They can't see me. Hello.
I'm bad about that. It's been a while since I vlogged, so I gotta get the angles and camera right. We're gonna have a great, fantastic time here. I'm gonna show you some cool cars, and then we get to talk about a few things I did to my car. You should stay tuned. It's gonna be fire.
Keep
All right.
okay.
No, I didn't. Nope. Please give us a presentation. Please present the car. So this was
Stingray.
Okay.
Hand painted by hand.
By hand.
1977.
It wasn't 90s. Was it 72?
No, 77.
77. Hand painted.
Hand painted.
That is impressive paint. Did you do it yourself?
Yes.
Yeah. Good
I
job.
was born back then.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't age.
The new, so we got the old, new, and new. I like this.
8 different colors as you walk around there.
8 colors?
Over 8 different colors as you slowly walk around.
And it's, what year? What year is this?
77.
77.
Painted in 77. That's hand airbrushed and hand painted pinstripe. Not this crap they got now. Yeah.
Looks good. Look at that truck. Welcome to Texas. That's what it says. Oh, I like that. This is the Toquache version.
Mexican flag.
The Mexican flag. Like that.
That white one.
Oh. Okay. So are these you consider these pussy trucks
These are
too?
not pussy trucks. These are man trucks.
Wait, these are what trucks?
Man trucks.
One more time for the boys.
Man trucks. See the masculinity oozing out of them.
I don't know. It looks like they're trying to compensate. Look at those fucking horns down there. You see that?
You see the spikes over here too?
Holy shit. Well, they're compensating for something. That's what I'm gonna say, cause I'm just a hater, right? And people can't just enjoy things. They have to be overcompensating for something, okay? All this toxic masculine energy is not it. I don't appreciate it. Sheesh. Sheesh. Look at that.
She is sexy.
What is this? What is this from the 40s?
It is a 53.
I'm sorry, what?
It is a 53.
It's a 53? Okay. You know it's an Impala, right?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look, it says it right there.
So that's a,
That's an
I don't know what year that is. Maybe you guys could tell me in the comment section, but this looks, woo, like that. Another Impala. Impala gang, Chevy in the house. Le Mans 350.
I've never heard of the Le Mans.
Le Mans.
Oh!
Pussy truck.
Kind of. Yeah, I don't do.
Little bitch.
Even though this one is lowered, it is not a pussy truck.
You sure about that?
Because, yeah.
I can't hear you. You have to speak up. Hey everyone! She said it's a pussy truck.
No, it's not a pussy truck.
Sure about that?
It's a classic. It has
Chevelle.
Woody Woodpecker in the back.
Ooh, that SS. Ooh. That's a clean SS right there. Ooh. Right?
I mean, new cars
You can't. You can't beat it.
As soon as half of them say, okay, that sounds cool. That sounds cool. That Shelby pulled out earlier, and everybody just stopped and looked, dude.
Yeah.
All these hoes sexy as fuck.
Dude, like.
I know I was saying the only thing I regret is that these are parked so damn close. We can't get good spots for everybody. But I mean, I get it. There's limited space, you know.
Man, all these hoes niggas got me nutty in my fucking man. These hoes nice as fuck.
You just blow something?
I fucking charger, bro. I'm just fucking.
What do you want to eat today?
Your car.
Where do you want to go eat today? You want to go to Applebee's? You don't want to go eat at Applebee's? No? Get it? Get it? It means it's fast, babe. Oh yeah, the wrap changes colors. Yeah, let's go back to those classics. I like these. That is awesome. Engine in the back, frunk with your tool set.
I'm gonna send this to Tracy.
With the red block. Okay, babe. So you've seen me work on my truck, my cars. Can you tell me what the parts on this engine are? Let's go. What's that top thingy? That shiny thing on the very top?
Turbojet.
Okay. What's this?
That's a battery.
That is a battery. Good job. Okay. What's next?
Windshield fluid.
Okay. Nice.
You don't have a classic car. These are different.
It's an engine, babe. What else?
This is where the fluid oil.
The what?
Oil.
That? It's probably a radiator cap.
Automatic transmission.
Oh, okay. Let's stop you right there. Nice. Oh, look at that Chevy SS. You guys see it? That, right there.
I don't see it.
Yeah? You don't see it?
Hidden.
Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know.
Looks like it's blended in with its surroundings. Oh, look at it. It's a camo. What, some kind of jungle camo something. But yeah, boys and girls, this is it. So, if you don't know, the Challenger used to be white and black. It had the bow tie look going. So what I did was completely wrap this puppy. And check it out. Oof, look at that. So, the hood is man, there's dog shit every fucking way. People need to pick up after their pets. So it is carbon fiber, 3M carbon fiber wrap up here, and then the rest of it is just a camo wrap. Look at it though. Woo! Is she mean or is she mean? Tell me what you guys think. You like it? You hate it? If you follow my Instagram, you've seen me post a picture of it, but this is the first time I'm revealing it on video for the YouTube. Sheesh. Grab it. I smell clutch. Got the bike gang. Gang, 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 gang. For all you Bronco fans, got a little Bronco right there.
Nice.
And then we got, of course, you got to see this bug right here. It's the Lambo Central. Coffee. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. In true fashion, we got to close out the vlog with a nice shot of some exotics. Make sure you click like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace. I should know, you say peace. Close it out. Flyest individual right here.